Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about sets in statistics which will be used for data science for doing analysis. So first is first, what is a set? A set is a collection of distinct elements. So a set is a collection of distinct elements. We will use these sets in data science basically to represent data. For example, I may represent the data X as 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So here in this example, we will represent this set using a variable X or anything else we may use. But one thing you have to remember is while declaring sets, all the numbers which were here are called as elements which were in set, and in order to make it a set, definitely we have to use these braces. So by representing values in these braces makes it a set. So in sets we have few main topics. Let us discuss about them now. So first of all, let us discuss about intersection. For example, consider that we have two sets. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and then 4, and maybe B equal to 2, 4, 7, 8. Now we may draw one diagram or a Venn diagram like this for this set. So first let me draw two circles and let us consider that this circle is A and this circle is B. So A has elements such as 1 and 3 and B has elements such as 7, 8. But while seeing from A and B, we have common elements such as 2 and then 4 in both the sets. So we will give it here where they will intersect. So this is the Venn diagram of A and B. So coming back to intersection, intersection means while comparing two sets, we have to give the numbers which were in both the sets. That means, for example, in A we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and in B we have 2, 4, 7, 8. So now let me show you which elements were common in both of these. Absolutely it is nothing but 2 and 4, right? Because only 2 and 4 were same in both A and B. So intersection of A and B will be going to be 2, 4. But also we will represent this intersection using the notation called as this one. So we may write A intersection B equals to 2, 4. So this is the answer for A intersection B. Now let us understand about union. We will represent this union using this symbol, this one. So what is union? Union is nothing but all the elements from A and B. That means we have to combine all the elements from A and B and then we have to give unique elements from them. That means without having any duplicates we have to give them. So first of all, let us combine both A and B, then let us see what will we get. So in A we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in B we have 2, 4, 7 and 8. So in this, if the element is repeating, just remove that element. So 1 is present one time, so no need to change anything. 2 is present 2 times, so we have to remove 1, 2. 3 is 1 time, so no need to change. 4 is 2 times, so remove 1, 4. 7 is 1 time and 8 is 1 time. So the final output will be A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and 8. So here also you may see that while doing A union B, we can simply give all the elements in A and all the elements in B and the common intersection points. So all these elements will combinedly gives us A union B. So this is the example of union. So after intersection and union, we have another terms called as whether A is subset of B or not, or else whether B is subset of A or not. And also before that, I think you may have understand what is union and what is intersection. So intersection is nothing but the common points between A and B, while union is nothing but all the distinct values which were present in A and B. So now after completing this, we may go to next topic. So let me draw a line here to distinguish it. For example, I have two data sets. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. And let me take B is equal to 4, 5, and then 6. So let us do some more operations on this A and B. So if I ask you whether A is subset of B, that means whether A is an integral part of B or not. For example, I will show you by a diagram. Let us think that I have two circles, and let us think that this big circle is nothing but B, where we have 4, 5, and 6 values. And the question now is whether A is subset of B or not. That means while this is superset, so let us consider B is a superset and this part is subset of B. So the question is whether A is subset of B or not. So let us consider whether A will fit in this box or not. So in A we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But in B we have only 4, 5, 6. So we may fit 4, 5, 6 in this subset, but we can't fit 1, 2, 3, and then 7. So that's why A will definitely not be subset of B. So the output could be something like false. But if the question is like whether B is subset of A, so now also let us see, consider that this is A where we have values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and consider that this is a subset. So now let us see whether this B can fit in this A or not. What are the values of B? We have values like 4, 5, and 6. So obviously 4, 5, and 6 fits in A. So that's why B is subset of A. So we can write output as true. Similarly, we can have something like supersets, whether A is superset of B. That means whether B is a part of A or not. Here from this example, clearly we can see that this is A and this is B, where B is completely inside A. So this is going to be true. So I'll write true here. Yeah, this is going to be true. But if the question is whether B is superset of A, so now let us see in this example, this is B and this is A. So in this example, we can see that in B we have 4, 5, 6, but in A we can only fit 4, 5, 6 here. But we can't fit the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 7. So B can't be the superset of A. So I will write the output here as false. So this is all about today. We have discussed about what are sets, and we have discussed about the example on the definition of sets, and we have discussed about intersection. We will use the symbol this for intersection while representing intersection, and intersection is nothing but the common points between A and B. We have also discussed about union, which is nothing but the distinct elements which were combinedly in A and B, and then we have seen what is the subset, whether A is subset of B or not, or whether B is subset of A or not, and also then we have seen whether A is superset of B or not, or whether B is superset of A or not. So this is all about sets, and this is the end of the video. So if you have liked the video, please consider subscribing to the channel and make sure to share this video with your friends if you feel it is worth watching it. And let me see you in the next videos. And before going, I would like to tell one thing, that I have created a playlist for statistics for data science, where I will cover from very basic statistics to advanced statistics, so that you can do and implement similar kind of or different problems in data science while doing data analysis. I'm going to give the link of the playlist also in the description. So I would suggest you to watch the playlist completely so that you can be developing your statistical skills for data science. So that's all, and let us see in the next video. Thank you.